There you go. This is probably my personal best bluegill. So hey guys, welcome back here to another video on rod fishing. So I'm gonna show you some clips from the 2 past days. So first thing, I'm gonna talk about what we did on Sunday. On Sunday, we went to the beach and we did some body surfing and some diving to some waves. I also got stung ton by jellyfish. That was really bad, but we were going to originally go snorkeling that day, but there was a lot of seaweed at one beach. I was super calm. Like, it was nasty, it smelled really bad. And then the other beach we went to was super wavy, which is rather have rough water than, because the water was brown where there was a lot of seaweed, than a brown water that smells super bad and seaweed everywhere. So we went there and we did some wave diving. Before I got to that, the day before on Saturday, we went to, I went fishing by myself, and I caught a whole bunch of fishes. I almost got 2 PBs, so I'm gonna cut to the fridge now. See you then. Swear to God, I just got my personal best mine sticker right here. Oh my God, guys, release this guy. Oh my God, I think I just got my personal best mine sticker. Look at that. Look at that guy go. Oh! Guys, actually a fun fact. This is actually not my personal best mine cichlid. It's actually a lot more smaller than my personal best mine cichlid. As you see, this guy is like a little bit bigger than my hand. Now, my actual personal best mine cichlid looks like this. A lot more bigger, as you can tell. It's way bigger than my hand. This guy was at least like 1.5 pounds. I got this guy like a year and a half ago. So I'm gonna start you over now to my next catch. See you then. Just got a nice little bass here. Just fishing with some live worms. Just got my personal best tickling. I got a decent little bass. There you go. Here you go. This is probably my personal best bluegill right here. Look at the size of this bluegill. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of this guy. There's so many species here today though. Oh, there he goes. Okay guys, once again, this is not my personal best bluegill. This guy is around the same size as that mine sticker that I also thought was almost my personal best. I didn't even was they're pretty close on this guy. Look at that. Orange or red that's over there for its tail. Super pretty, but yeah, this is not actually my personal best. My actual personal best is a little bit bigger than this guy. Not as pretty, I mean still kind of pretty, but not as big as this bluegill. So you're about to see that like right now. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my actual personal best bluegill. Yeah. So that's my actual personal best bluegill. So I'll see you on the next catch. Okay guys, so I forgot to do a video for this guy. And yeah, that was my 4th fish that I caught for the day. Super nice mine cichlid. So I see you now in the next one. Guys, so that's pretty much my fishing on Saturday. Only a little bit of fish I got there. So, I'm going to now cut to my day at the beach, everything, me getting ready, going there, all that stuff. So I see you, after I guess I go through that footage. See you then. So it's here early in the morning, I'm go fishing, and we don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna do some snorkeling, probably some fishing, got a lot of stuff in the car, and yeah, so I'll see you when I get there. Snorkeling has been officially canceled, but it's been some crazy waves. I even got stung a few times by jellyfish, but it wasn't that bad. Look at these waves. A strong tide wave came through and washed away a whole bunch of stuff, but now just look at that out there. Big wave.
Prepare to die.
Body surfing, it's good when you go to the lake and you let it take you out onto the shore and then go back and keep with it. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you right now. That's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. We had I had a super fun time on Saturday when I did some fishing. Caught 3 species of fish, 4 fish in total, 2 mine cichlids, 1 largemouth bass, and 1 bluegill. And then on Sunday we went snorkeling. Unfortunately, the conditions were really good, but we still had a fun time in this wave. I did get stung by some jellyfish. I didn't really record that. I mean, there was nothing to really see. Like, there weren't like bad stings. Like, there was no marks or anything. So I didn't really record that much. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells. And also leave a comment down below if YouTube doesn't want to. If the YouTube doesn't turn on to comments. But yeah. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.